Start with setup. macOS, Homebrew, Python, Node.js, Git. The app checks every tool you need automatically. No tricky commands. One click and your environment is ready. Next, choose what to learn. Agent development, data analysis, slide decks, Google integrations, and more. 18 modules in all. Begin with whatever is closest to your own work. Each lesson covers one topic. Take how a transformer works. You grasp the concept through a diagram, then move straight into practice. We never stop at reading. You learn by doing until it clicks. Stuck? You are never alone. Ask anything. The AI Tutor answers based on your screen and points you to the exact lesson to read. Answers, right when you learn. That is AI Agent Camp. Watch, learn, and build right away. Take the first step toward delegating your work to AI agents. Get started today.